नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली आईएएस में। दोस्तों, आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 17 एंड माय टारगेट इज यूपीएससी सीएसई 2024. Its prelim exam will be on 26th of May 2024 and days are remaining only 352 days. Okay, so without any delay, let's start what will be my today's schedule and what I will do today to achieve my goal. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it. Okay, let's start. So as you can see, today is 9 of June 2023 and time is morning 8:47. Friends, today I woke up nearly 1 hour late because yesterday I sleep half hour late. Okay, so here you can see I have 4 major study block: 9 to 10 and 11 to 12, 1 to 2 p.m. time is here. Okay, and then 3 to 4 p.m. Okay, that's fine. So today I will do little bit change, reason being, okay, from 9 to 10, instead of study block 1, I will do here, let me first delete it, only today. Okay, 9 to 10 I will do my techniques training, techniques revision of these techniques. Okay, so I will just change its time from 9:0 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, let me save it, save only this event. Okay, 9 to 10 is this and then from 10 to 11, 10 to 11 only this. First let me delete 10 to 11. I will do this thing, pre-study of pre-study of the let me see what is here, pre-study of GS2 and GS4, pre-study in GS4. And which topic will be emotional intelligence. Okay, save it, only this event. Okay, let me change its time from 10 to 11, or yes, from 10:15. 10 to 10:15 is my break, small break, and 10 to 11:15 is this. Let me save it, only this event. Yes, and from 11:15 to 11:30 is free time. From 11:30 to 11:45 I will do this thing, duplicate. It's 11:30 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. and date is today is, that is 9. Let me save. Okay, what's happened, delete these extra. Okay, these things. From 12 to 1 is my break time, and now my second study block 1 to 2 p.m. During this time I will do pre-study GS4 probity in governance and ethics in governance. Okay, let me check. Yes, I will do public service values and ethics in governance. Okay, 1 to 2 p.m. Okay, that's fine. Let me save it. Only this event. Yes, 1 to 2. Where is? Yes, it is here. And then from 3 to 4, during this time I will do pre-study sociology unit 6, work and economic life. Okay, let me save it. Only this event. Yes. Okay, and then here is micro learning time schedule, and between these extra blocks it included my 15-minute rest and 15-minute break plus other things which were remaining. Okay, and then from 5:45 to 6 is my English improvement and tenses. Okay, and then from 6 to 8 is my today it is not buffer time. Today I will do during this time something which is very important, that is revision 2 of whatever I have read during during this week. Okay, so I will just duplicate it. 9 June from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and revision number 2. Okay, revision number 2. Let me save it. Let me change its color. Grape. Okay, that's fine. And I must do it instead of every day, every week. Okay, save. Revision retrieval 2. Okay, and then from 8 to 9 is break time, or you can say yes, dinner and break. And 9 to 10 p.m. is my daily revision. Whatever I have studied today I will do, that's revision. And 10 to 11 is my reflection and co-op and marginal gain. Okay, so this is my today's schedule. Let us try how much I achieve. So for watching this video, thank you, and please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any other information. Okay, bye.